Let me ask you a question. Whenever you are under any kind of tension, do you get into the fight or flight response? Yes? Then keep watching this video. Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. In this video, I want to give you a better alternative to the fight or flight response. Keep watching. The fight or flight response is wired into humans right from the days when they used to, hunt into the jungles and they used to live in the caves. So whenever they would go to hunt some animals, and if a wild animal came right in front of them, they would get into this fight or flight response, which means that they were either getting ready to fight the situation or getting ready to run away from the situation. But in today's modern times, we don't have to every day go into the jungle and hunt for food and face the wild animals. But yes, today we come under different kinds of stress and tensions and pressures. So what most people do is they get into the fight or flight response. Whenever we come under any kind of tension or pressure, our fight or flight response gets triggered. Whenever you get into a fight or flight response, you actually destroy your willpower. A better alternative would be to use the pause and plan response. Whenever you use the pause and plan response, it slows your heart beating and it normalizes your blood pressure and it gives you better self-control. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.